All right, yeah, welcome back. This is just a bonus, like I promised before, that I'm going to show you some other uh, research works that are morphometric based, and some are disease based, some are also uh, normal phase, both 2D and 3D. Okay, so this is the first one I showed up before, if you remember, investigation of age-related facial variation among Angelman syndromes patients. Okay, so this one deal with Angelman syndrome, and trying to look at different Angelman syndrome diversities. All right, this one uses 3 landmarks and selected 10 measurement distance, linear distances. All right, so you can see the disorders has some kind of a different dysautonomies. Okay, all right. So when you go further, you can see the method here. You can read further. Uh, these are the phases. So from here, this one we just did. Okay, so you can do this. You can also do this. You can do this. You can measure. These measurements are located here, so you can try them out. And for any diseases you want to measure or any normal phase, all right, you can follow the pattern that I showed us the last time. Okay, and these are the uh, this, PCA, and this is a canonical varied analysis of the uh, age group. Okay, so this is the lipop graph, and this is a its map. Okay, so you can see this is for this. So you can try and see how to work around. You can follow this pattern for the one we just finished. Also, you can also see go for this check this journal, morphometric approach to 3D soft tissue craniofacial analysis and classification of ethnicity, sex, and age. All right, so this one is from +1. Okay, so you can check look at how morphometric analysis is applied in that place. Okay, and that method you can see the based on the white British and the white Irish, right, to differentiate them in group. Template mesh was created, and you can see how it was created here. Okay, the method. Okay, so you can see the measurement of the face also here done here at the face region, eye region, nose region, mouth region, chin and jaw, and cranial. All right, so you can see the database analysis and error assessment. Allometry is measured, and we have some result here. All right, look at their shape. Okay, and 3D form. Okay, look at the screen analysis. All right, this maneuver, and look at the allometry here. Okay, so this is how we organize it. So you can see the discussion section, what how it is arranged. So you can study it and see how we be able to come along with this. So, and also another one is PAJ. I mean, this mathematics. Okay, this 3D three dimensional expression recognition in human using multi-point mapping. So you can also go through this. You can see how we apply. I use metric here as well. Okay, so calculation was done here also using LDA, linear differential analysis. You can see the PC, each of the PC one by one, and then for Stalin and Bosphorus, as I said in 3D. Okay, so this is scatter plots. You can see here. You go through it. You can also see the method how mesh is created for each of them. You can see mesh. Okay, mesh is created. Then this is starting point. Then before we generate cover the whole face using the TPS warping, this warping method. All right, so you can see them. So you can also see PIJ here, PIJ computer science. You can see there's a landmark based homologous multi-point warping approach to 3D facial recognition using multi data set. So this is another journal there. So you can also go through and look at how mesh is created here. So you can see the process of the mesh creation, and you can see the results of the output. Right. So these are quality journals. You can also look at here also IEEE access. All right. This is not too quite long. It's okay. And many other journals that I cannot be showing you now, okay? But at least you can see this ones here, all right? So look at the method here. See how this was created. You can see how Morphometrics and the machine learning is applied here. All right. So this one use you can see the interface like the one you saw before, and you can see how it's created here. Okay, how the dash landmark automatically using the method I showed you as well. But this one use a different method for uh, PCA classification. You see feature selection. Look at it, the hyperplane. These are the dancing drone face. This is heady control, right? You have the see at their face shape. Okay, so look at the result we got here. This is a different result now, and the one that was benchmarked. So these are the so you can go through them and see how they are created. Okay, so this is just a bonus, okay, just to show you those things that you can do all those things. You can just create them. You can go online and try and check more uh, articles online in this field. So, and I want to thank you so much for listening. And I believe that you may have one or two comments or in this course you have undertaken. You can post your comment in the comment section. I will gladly reply. You have a question, query you want to ask, you can go ahead and ask. If you enjoy the course, you can rate. Okay, you can give us some rating, and then we appreciate you so much for that. Thank you so much for listening, and I believe that you have learned something. I will see you in the next maybe another course when it comes up. Thank you so much. Bye for now.